Today we are at Weymouth Furnace State Park in Weymouth, New Jersey. And across this bridge, and you'll see the Greater Egg Harbor River back here. It's off to my left, you'll see when I turn around. There it is, running very nicely. This is a very nice spot, especially this time of year because there's nobody here. Just me and the wife. And it's peaceful, quiet. You hear some sounds of the birds and the trees and the water running. Very nice. Peaceful. Summertime, there's canoes out here. They don't allow you to bathe here or swim or anything like that. But people do. And it's a brackish type water. Meanders on down and around. There's a house back in there. Just very, very nice here. Quiet. Well, that's about it. Coming to the end. Nice place.